Hello. Good morning, students. Yesterday we discussed that inverse trigonometric function. That means basic concept of inverse trigonometric function. So already told you the given function is invertible if it is 1 1 and onto. Sine function mapping from R to close interval minus 1 to 1. So it is unable to find out 1 1 and onto. The main problem with 1 1. So we had to restrict the domain that R into minus pi by 2 pi by 2 or pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2 5 by 2. If you restricted the domain, the sine function inverse we can find out. So see, inverse of the sine x is generated by sine inverse of x, and it is a mapping from close interval minus 1 to 1 to close interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2. That minus close interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2 is called principal value branch. Same as it is yesterday we discussed cos inverse, tan inverse, sec inverse, cosec inverse, cot inverse also. So today we will discuss that application problems related to this one. So once again I am showing here sine inverse is mapping from minus 1 to 1 to close interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2. That already we discussed. This is the minus pi by 2 pi by 2 is principal value branch of sine inverse. Once again I am telling you the principal value branch of sine inverse is close interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Cos inverse again close interval minus 1 to 1, close interval 0 to pi. Close interval 0 to pi is principal value branch of cos inverse. From 0 to pi the cos value is not repeated. That's why 0 to pi is our required one. Cos inverse of something, the answer should be lies between 0 to pi. Sine inverse of something is lies between close interval minus pi by 2 pi by 2. If sine inverse something is there, definitely we should get the answer close interval minus pi by 2 pi minus 90 to 90. Cos inverse of something is there, we should get the answer 0 to 180. The same tan inverse open interval minus pi by 2 pi by, the answer should be minus 90 to 90. These all things already we discussed. And after this we discuss one more thing. Each and every trigonometric function negative value of a inverse trigonometric function. So that part we will discuss once again. Okay, see now, what are the formulas we discussed yesterday? Not principal value branch. Negative angle of inverse trigonometric function. I am writing once again. Sine inverse of minus x is minus sine inverse of x. Simply minus we can send outside. Cos inverse of minus x, pi minus cos inverse of x. Once again you recall that trigonometric functions, negative value of trigonometric functions, sine of minus x minus sine x, cos of minus x plus cos x. But here cos inverse of minus x is pi minus cos inverse of x. Tan inverse of minus x minus tan inverse of x. Be careful. Sine inverse of minus x, cos inverse of minus x, tan inverse of minus x. Now cosec inverse of minus x is minus cosec inverse of x. Sec inverse of minus x, pi minus sec inverse of minus x. Yesterday we discussed this formula already. Cot inverse of minus x is nothing but pi minus cot inverse of x. These formulas we discussed. The previous principal value branch and negative angles of the inverse trigonometric function, just you remember, so that xs 2.1 easily we can find out. And before starting this one, once again you recall 10th class 11th class inverse trigonometry ratios from 0 to 90, trigonometry ratios from 0 to 90, sine 0, sine 30, sine 45, sine 60. If you are aware of the table and if you know these two formulas, then our This 2.1 exercise is very simple. Easily we can solve it. So now we'll discuss that exercise 2.1. So try to recall that what are the formulas I told you. I think it's a very simple. The first question, exercise 2.1, for example, I'm giving simple question, cos inverse of root 3 by 2. Nothing is that trigonometry and inverse trigonometry only one thing. Sine of degree value is nothing but somewhat real number. Sine of degree, sine 30 1 by 2, sine 45 1 by root 2, sine 60 root 3 by 2, like that. But whereas inverse trigonometry function, sine inverse of value is nothing but a degree. The degree also lies between principal value branch. Sine inverse of 1 by 2. In sine table, when will get 1 by 2? Sine table, when will get 1 by 2? Means 30 degrees. Direct speech is nothing but trigonometry. Indirect speech is nothing but our required inverse trigonometry. So now we had to learn the table like this. Earlier we learned sine 0, 0, sine 30, 1 by 2, sine 45, 1 by 2. Now you learn sine 0 value 0 degrees, sine 1 by 2 value 30 degrees, sine 1 by root 2 value is 45 degrees, sine of root 3 by 2 is nothing but 60 degrees. That we had to learn like this. Sine inverse of 0, 0 degrees, sine inverse of 1 by 2, 30 degrees, sine inverse of 45, 1 by root 2 is 45 degrees, like this we had to learn. Cos table, when we'll get root 3 by 2 is nothing but 30 degrees. That's all. Solution is over. Next, sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Sine inverse of negative, first you apply the formula, minus outside, minus sine inverse of 1 by 2, minus as it is, sine table 1 by 2, 30 degrees, minus 30 degrees is the answer. Hope you understood this one. Cos inverse of root 3 by 1, direct I am searching the table. When in cos line, when you will get root 3 by 2, 30 degrees, the solution is over. But coming to sine inverse of minus 1 by 2 is not there. So apply the formula, minus outside, sine inverse of 1 by 2 is minus 30 degrees. Now same as it is, I am giving one more question, tan inverse of minus 1. Tan inverse of minus 1, tan table I am unable to find out minus 1. So I want to apply the formula, minus outside, tan inverse of 1, minus tan inverse of 1, 45 degrees. Same like this, cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Be careful, cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Negative is there. Cos inverse of negative. So pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2. Pi means 180 minus cos table 1 by 2. Cos table 1 by 2. 60 degrees. 180 minus 60, 120 degrees is the answer. So very simple thing. If you learn the table and inverse trigonometry function of negative angles formulas, of course a little bit awareness of this principal value branch, so easily we can find out the solution. One critical problem we will discuss now. So put your concentration. Yeah. Now observe the question. Tan inverse of 1 plus cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 plus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. So tan inverse of 1, there is no any problem. In tan table, when will get 1, 45 degrees. Cos inverse of minus 1 by 2, you have to apply the formula, pi minus cos inverse of 1 by 2 plus sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. Now you have to apply formula minus sine inverse of 1 by 2. So here I am apply the formula for cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. He also applies sine inverse of minus 1 by 2. This 45 as it is, this 180 minus cos inverse of 1 by 2 60 minus sine inverse of 1 by 2 is 30. 45 plus 180, 225 minus 90. So 135 is our required solution.